Hi guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can add music to your Facebook profile. Keep watching until the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sync into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and list of options will appear. Scroll down a little and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then open the Settings page. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down towards the bottom and select Profile Details under the Visibility tab. After that, scroll down towards the bottom of the screen again and locate Music. Tap on Add Music and then select the plus icon above to start adding audio tracks. A list of music options will be displayed on your screen. Simply choose the music you like, tap on it to select. And then close this pop-up menu by tapping on the cross icon. Once the music is displayed on the screen, tap on three dots icon beside the target audio and select Pin to Profile. Repeat this step for all of the desired music tracks, then go to your profile page and you'll be able to see the Edit Music tag on your profile. That's basically how you can add music to your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching.